Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best reason to choose Gusto over other payroll services. When I first started my small business, I used one of the legacy payroll providers, and honestly, it felt like I needed a degree in payroll just to run a simple pay cycle. The pricing was complicated, full of hidden fees, and the user interface was clunky and outdated. That's when I made the switch to Gusto, and it was a game changer. The single best reason to choose Gusto is its complete focus on the small business owner's experience. Let me break down what that means from my personal experience. 1. Automated and simple full-service payroll. With Gusto, I literally run payroll in under 2 minutes, and often I don't even have to click a button. You set up a schedule once, turn on autopilot, and Gusto automatically handles everything. Calculating wages, withholding the right federal, state, and local taxes, and filing all those tax forms for you. The peace of mind that comes from knowing compliance is handled automatically and accurately is worth the price alone, especially compared to the stress I had with my old provider. 2. Transparent and all-inclusive pricing. This is huge with a lot of other services. The base fee is just the beginning. You get nickel and dime for things like W-2 and 1099 filings, off-cycle payroll runs, or even multi-state payroll. Gusto has straightforward, transparent monthly pricing that bundles in the full-service payroll, all tax filings, and year-end forms right from the start. No surprises on my bill. 3. The employee experience. Gusto is built for the modern employee. New hires can onboard themselves in a few minutes. I don't have to chase them for paperwork. Employees get access to the Gusto Wallet app, where they can view their pay stubs, manage their benefits, and access their W-2s forever, even after they leave the company. This self-service model drastically cuts down on administrative questions I get as a business owner. They also offer integrated health insurance for 401k and workers' comp, making a true all-in-one platform without the complicated integration headaches. So, while larger companies like ADP or Paychex are built for enterprises and can be overly complex for a small business, Gusto is specifically designed to be simple, automated, and employee-centric for small and mid-sized market. It gives me back the time to focus on my business, not on tedious payroll admin. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.